Charlie to talk about our process discovery enhancements.
Hello. Yeah, so just to quickly introduce process discovery, for those who don't know, Automation Anywhere Process Discovery uses computer vision to allow you to find automation and optimization opportunities quickly, accurately, and at scale across all your applications. So essentially, if you can see it on your desktop, it'll work with our platform. So around that, there's a couple of new enhancements. One of them is specific, or both of them are specific to the Privacy Enhanced Gateway. So the Privacy Enhanced Gateway is a virtual appliance that you deploy in your own network that redacts the sensitive text before it gets to our cloud. So you get the power of our cloud in terms of compute, and you also get to keep your private data private. One of the enhancements is around adding a new configuration UI versus previously you would have had to do some of these configurations via command line. And the other is a new enhanced scaled architecture for PEG that allows you to record 100 sensors simultaneously to one instance of PEG so that you can quickly scale your process discovery, again, while maintaining that sensitive data within your control. So now we're going to just do a demo to show how someone might use the configuration UI. So let's start off with Barbara. Now, Barbara is the primary stakeholder for process optimization, right? She is the one who has a goal of reducing hold on a second. Hang on a second. Can you pause it for a second? I apologize, Brianna. 1 second. Hang on. All right, you can resume it. Sorry. So Barbara knows that there are a bunch of automation opportunities. Her team has already tried manual discovery, and manual discovery, while they found some automation, they did perform automation, they found a lot of rework had to be done, and she doesn't want to go through that again, right? So Barbara and the COE have reached out to Automation Anywhere for help. Automation Anywhere Process Discovery enables them to discover automation and other optimization opportunities quickly, accurately, and at scale across large teams of people without impacting employees on those teams. In addition, with the Privacy Enhanced Gateway, which redacts sensitive text from the screenshots before they leave Acme's network, Barbara and her team are able to leverage the power of Automation Anywhere's cloud while keeping the private data private. So now Barbara is going to have Izzy in the IT team, right, deploy the Privacy Enhanced Gateway to make sure, again, that that sensitive data remains within their own network. And is the video still running? Oh, there it goes. Sorry. That's not, something's happened to the video. There it is. So you go back a little bit, just a little more. There, just stop there, it's fine. Okay, so now Izzy, right, is the, again, the IT admin at Acme responsible for configuring the Privacy Enhanced Gateway. He starts by enabling the PEG option in the Automation Anywhere Process Discovery Cloud, formerly called Fortress IQ. In addition to allowing platform users to see the redacted screenshots in process discovery, this gives him the option to allow some users to be able to see unredacted screenshots without those screenshots ever leaving, again, Acme's own network. Izzy then opens the new configuration UI. This UI allows him to make configuration changes via a web instead of having to type commands in the PEG terminal window. He confirms that PEG forward to platform setting is false. This means that no data will be forwarded to the Automation Anywhere Process Discovery Cloud. This allows Izzy to review the redaction results and make any changes needed before Acme enables forwarding for process discovery. Right? So now Izzy has already deployed the process discovery discovery sensors to the business team employees that perform the processes. The sensor is the software that records the information and screenshots needed for process discovery and sends that data to PEG without any impact or interaction required by the employees. After a few hours of collecting data, Izzy reviews the screenshot redaction results in the PEG image viewer. He's easily able to compare the unredacted screenshot on the left with the redacted screenshot on the right using the slider. Izzy notices that PEG is redacting the sensitive text as expected. However, he also notices it's redacting one of the product names, ThreadLocker, in the description field too. He knows that the business analysts want to make sure that the product names are kept on the screenshots because they want to discover processes that are specific to those products. Because Automation Anywhere Process Discovery uses computer vision to look at the screen like a human would, as long as it can see the text on the screen, in this case, the product name, it can find processes that include screens with that specific text. So now, Izzy is going back to the configuration UI and adding that product name, ThreadLocker, to the pass list so that PEG won't redact it. So now he types in that name, very simple, and then he enters it and clicks update. Now, after PEG has collected a few more screens, Izzy reviews the screenshots to confirm that PEG is now keeping the product name, right, visible. And you can see with the slider, right, he confirmed there. He's also confirmed with the business that the redaction is as expected. So he goes back to the forwarding settings to enable forwarding so that any new screenshots coming in will be redacted and then forwarded to Automation Anywhere Process Discovery. So now Acme and their business analysts are able to, without any sensitive data leaving their networks, use the power of the Automation Anywhere Process Discovery Cloud to discover processes and make intelligent, quantifiable decisions on what to automate and optimize next. Thanks, Rihanna.
Thanks, Charlie.